See what I'm using to hold this piece of trim so I can level out and reconditioning this old, I'm reusing my original trim here, okay? This is oak. And we're reconditioning it, and so you can use a vise wood clamp like this, or you could use this type. Okay, or like the C-clamp. Alright, you just need something to support to keep it on this edge. Alright, as we're conditioning this edge, putting back the nice square edge because it gets boogered and chipped and rounded over, and this will give it a nice pristine edge. This is that sanding block I made with the Velcro. I put on the block, which sticks to this Velcro on the sandpaper. The hook and loop goes on the block. Alright. Okay, now I'm getting the front side of it. Alright, so you have a real nice, clean, crisp corner here. Alright. This goes to the floor. Alright. So this is how it will sit on the floor. Okay. So that way you'll have an idea of what's going on here. Get in the front of this, get in the face. Alright. Alright, this is a scrubber for the dishes. Alright. We're smoothing it out before I stain. Alright. Next I'll be staining. This also allows you to get down in your grooves and the detailing. Alright. Alright. This just wanted to chip and break off on me. Okay, we're going to sand it and help to clear that up. Alright, let's work that edge. Alright, let's check it. Okay, it's looking better. I can fill that in and make it disappear. Alright, you see right here, it's about gone. Just a little bump in the road. If I wasn't pointing it out, you wouldn't even see it. It's right there. Alright. Almost gone. Okay, let's watch that disappear. Alright. And it's right here for those that aren't sure. Let's find it. Right here. Alright, there it is. It's nothing. But we're going to make it disappear. I'm going to work. Alright, this edge right here on this side. I'm going to draw that out over here as I round it so we keep the same contour and same detail. Alright, and I'm focusing over here on this other side, and I'm catching this whole area, alright, as I'm tapering it back to this outer edge. Okay, and we want to come back this way, taper it out this way, come on the back side, alright. I think we just about have it here. Okay, I want you to see it. Seeing's believing. You can literally make wood grow. And you know how to sand it, get the right angles on it. And we're reshaping this. Okay, again, I'm working off of this edge, and we want to keep the same detailing. Okay, and we're going to catch the whole thing. Come around from the back side, catch the front side. Okay, now I'm going to wrap this around the edge. Alright, and we're going to work this area, and it's going to disappear. It's going to disappear. Alright. Let me splinter here a little bit. It's not even where I was sanding originally. Alright, but we've brought up some little nicks, scuffs over here that we're having to work down to get it all blended. Alright, again, you want to go with the contour of the detailing. Alright, so you don't change the shape. Okay. Now let's take a look at it. Let's take a gander. Alright, can you see? Can you see the imperfection? Gone. See? Gone. Completely gone. We're past it because we need to be way back here. Alright, and there is what's left if you can see anything. Okay, and it's smooth. Listen to that. Smooth, gone. I didn't even have to use any putty. Well, I can see it right here. I can see a very slight remnants of it. See if you can spot it in here. I'm not seeing it at all here. It just looks like some wood grain. That's all it looks like. That's what you want. Okay, now let's look at the detailing. Okay, the detailing has remained the same. Okay, it's remained the same throughout. And that's what you want. That takes practice. It does take practice. Okay. Alright, there's more to come. I'll be staining. I'll be staining. Alright, how do you like the stain job? No, I haven't stained it yet. This has been sanded, all the dust wiped off, and it's ready to be stained. Alright, so let's get to staining. Alright, now we're going to make a simple staining sponge. This is an old sweater, part of a rag. Alright, and this is just a shirt. It's black, and we're just going to tie this into a knot around this centerpiece. It's going to absorb the stain or the clear coat. It's going to be a clear coat stain mix with some pearl. Alright, so let's get this going. There's our staining sponge all tied up. Now, custom golden oak goodness. Alright, this is a custom golden oak. Let's get it going. Okay, here's the before, and let's take a look at the stain job. And the after. Now let's go take a look at this in the sunlight. Okay, here we are in the sunshine. Okay, and the after. Okay. Custom golden oak. Okay, I like a satin finish on here. because any nicks or scuff marks or whatever, it doesn't show up like it would if it was a high gloss. So the satin is a much better finish on something like this, just like I put on my marble tile. All right, there's not a high gloss, there's more like a semi-gloss, and that way it will last, it will do more abuse and continue to look good, as well as it creates a nice background for the blue and silver vessel sinks. So not having a high gloss on my marble tile works out really well. Alright, so this is a satin finish. This makes it more durable, and you don't see all the scuff marks and wear and tear. Remember, Easy Chew tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. My next video, you'll see more of the shower, more of the bathroom. This is extra. This is my footstool for my custom stump chair that you're looking at. This custom stump chair. Bam, there it is. This is an elbow rest. All right, there's the seat. This is a custom stain and finish with pearl. All right, now I'll show you how this works. My elbow goes here. All right, and just kind of kick back, and you have your footstool right here. All right, how cool is that? I was asked if I would sell this. Yeah, I'd sell my custom stump chair. Remember, tell a friend it's a win-win-win. Bye for now.